morning. Been to this island a couple of times now, but just look at this little bit of beach. Absolutely stunning. Spin you all the way around. See, when you come diving, these are the kind of places you can come, you can visit. So on top of the diving, you get the beach life, you get to chill, and you get really well looked after. Thinking of booking a dive trip? Book Sea Dragon. They are excellent. So breakfast done, and we're going back to the beach in the Surin Islands again. So it's such a beautiful place. I'm not going to turn up, so I'll turn down a trip to the beach. So let's go and enjoy some sunshine. So this time it looks like it's low tide, so I might be able to go for a little walk all around from the front beach to the back beach. A little bit overcast this morning, but still really warm. About 29, yeah, about 29 degrees today, I think.
So if you guys go this way and then you just follow this path going to the left is where you guys can stop at the beach area. Okay? Right there with the green sign, like a towel of milk, it's the cafe. They do really nice Thai tea there. So you guys can go right there. You can take a seat as well. It's pretty nice. Please don't swim around this area. It's better off going that way because there's less boat. And yeah, we'll meet again here. So we'll meet here at 10:20. Okay? Yep. Sounds good. Perfect? Yeah. Good. Enjoy, everyone.
So we got a little bit of low tide, so I'm just going to walk around. What a beautiful bit of beach this is. Absolutely stunning. Let's say sand's like powder between your toes. Not a footprint on the sand. I think we're the only boat to arrive on the island. Oh, it's super quiet today. Apart from the long sail boat going past, obviously.
Yeah.